Hi all, doing a real quick video on the Medic 80233 MetaFirst Antacid tablets. It does come in a box of 100, so there's 100 of them in here, which is really nice, a good quantity. But if you look in the background here, I have my homeschool first aid kit box, and the nice thing about it is if anything should happen, I can easily be able to go inside of my box, and I have the antacid pills here, and I can easily be able to grab it out and I can be able to use it, which is really nice. So if something is going on with myself, I won't be able to not be able to teach the little ones, which is, great. So anyway, my motto is, as you see here, I'm trying to get everything, all the items that are the first aid kit from Webstaurant, so that, again, my motto is, it's better to be safe than sorry. If something should arise, I'm ready. So this antacid is going to go right here in the box, and if needed, I can be able to use it right in the box. Thanks for watching.